Let's learn how to share notes on Instagram, Reels watch posts. If you want to add notes to someone's post or reel but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. Since this is a new feature, you'll need to check if your Instagram is updated. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store, if you're on an iPhone or Google Play Store, if you're on an Android. When you open the application, type Instagram in the search bar. Once you do that, a page with Instagram will appear. If it says Update next to it, click on it and wait a bit. If it says Open, then your Instagram is updated. The next thing you need to do is open the Instagram app by clicking the Open button. When Instagram opens, you'll be on the home page. Now you need to find the reel or post where you want to add a note. Once you've found the reel, click on the share option. After you click on it, a menu with several options will appear. From those options, you need to click on the Add Note option located at the bottom of the menu. I currently don't have this option because I don't have notes enabled on Instagram, but if you have it enabled, the option will be there. When you click on it, you'll be able to write whatever you want. You can also choose who can see your note. You can choose whether your followers or people from your close friends list can see it. You need to select whatever you want, and then click on the share option. And that's it. You have successfully posted a note on someone's reel or post on Instagram. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.